today's menu, we are going to make yummy lentil soup. So our ingredients, I have 28 ounces of diced tomato with herbs, garlic and onions, 2 cups of brown lentils. For the veggie, I have kale, squash, potato, carrots, and celery. After you saute your onions and garlic with the olive oil, you add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and mix them all together. And then we can add our diced tomato. After 5 minutes, we can add our lentil. After the lentil, we can add our 10 cups of water. After boiling for 20 minutes, we can add our squash and potatoes. After the veggies are all cooked, now we can add 2 cups that I blend to make it thicker. There's our soup with kale.